This tutorial will show us the channel tools within FIJI. Here we have a 3-channel hyperstack which want to change colors. So we're going to go to Image, Color, Channels tool. Currently we're set to color. We can change our images to grayscale, and that will set all 3 channels to grayscale. If we go back to color, we can select individual channels and change the colors using the lookup table drop down. Selecting the lookup table that we want to apply to each channel. Once we have the correct setup, we can go to Composite, and that produces a final 8-bit image which we need to convert into an RGB image to use in other software packages. Here we have our final RGB image, which we can save as a TIFF file.